How to generate an A-trace fulfillment label. A fulfillment label requires an active Xero invoice. Select Fulfillment Label option. Select Invoice Date Range. Press Choose Date Range button. Select Invoice Number. Press Start Fulfillment Label button. Top-level fulfillment code shown. Scan code with countermark phone app. Fulfillment packing list will open. Top-level fulfillment code shown. Adding and removing incorrect item. Incorrect case label code scanned with countermark phone app. New entry added to fulfillment packing list. Entry indicates wrong item added. Press Remove Last Item button. Incorrect item removed from packing list. Adding correct item. Scan correct case label code with countermark phone app. New entry added to fulfillment packing list. Entry indicates correct item and quantity added. Closing a fulfillment packing list. Press Close List button. Label preview appears. Press Print Label button. Hard copy of fulfillment label printed.